Hello student, I am Raj Rajeshwari. Now let us see under exercise 1.3 first sum. Suppose that 120 students are studying in 4 sections of 11th standard in a school. Let capital A denote the set of students and capital B denote the set of sections. Define a relation from A to B as X related to Y if the student X belongs to the section Y. Is this relation a function? What can you say about the inverse relation? Explain your answer. If you observe the question, you can see that 120 students are studying in 11th standard and 4 sections are allotted for them, and it is given the relation as X related to Y if the student X belongs to the section Y is given, and the set of students were denoted with the set A and the set of sections with the set B, and you have to see whether the relation from set A to set B is a function or not, and you have to check whether the inverse relation, that is from set B to set A, is also a function or not. That you are going to explain this. Now let us move to the answer. Now first let us write what is given in the question. We have taken set A as the set of students. So set of students I have denoted with capital A, that is equal to numbering them 1, 2, 3 up to 120, since there are 120 students, and section and set B denotes a set of sections. I have taken the 4 sections as S1, S2, S3 and S4, and you are going to make the relation X is related to Y, that student X belongs to the section Y. This relation you are going to make, and let us see whether the relation is a function or not. If you observe this diagram, you can see that the set A denotes the number of students. So till 120 students I have written, and set B denotes a section. Each and every student is allotted with a section, and all the elements in set A is related to the sections in set B, and definitely you can say it is a function, and you can say that it is a function, and we can write it, we can explain this in words. So you can write that this relation is a function because every student belongs to any one of the 4 sections. And now let us see whether the inverse is also a function or not. Now observe this diagram. Set B is related to set A. Taking the sections in set B and the student in set A, it is related like this. And now you can say, now we can see that it is not a function because the domain gets repeated. Inga pathina domain vandu repeat agudhu, S11, S12, S13. Okay, so like that it gets repeated. So you can say that it is not a function, and definitely the inverse is not a function. Since the inverse relation is not a function, you can write like this. The inverse relation is not a function because element in B will not have a unique image in A. And I hope you understand this, some students. Thank you, students.